Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Moments with Oluwaseun. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, like our videos, watch them, leave your comment. This is Canva tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how to create a 2-minute logo on Canva. If there's any tutorial you like me to do on Canva, kindly leave your comment in the comment section and I'll make the video for you. Thank you for liking my video, thank you for leaving your comment, and thank you for subscribing.